Welcome to MakerVerse, the one-stop shop platform for sourcing and managing your industrial parts needs. Today, I will be guiding you through what MakerVerse has to offer and show you how our innovative features can bring efficiency and transparency to your custom part procurement process. MakerVerse empowers businesses with a platform built for scale. From single on-demand orders to high-volume production orders, or even complex multi-part or process projects, we are able to support your unique demands with ease and precision. We offer a comprehensive range of manufacturing technologies, from additive manufacturing for rapid prototyping and small batch production to CNC machining for precision parts, and sheet metal fabrication and injection molding for large-scale projects, and more. Our platform is built to meet every production need. All of this is possible by our AI-powered manufacturing tools that can provide instant quotes, manufacturing feedback, and empowers you to make the best decisions for your part procurement. The MakerVerse fully vetted supply chain then ensures that your part requirements are properly matched with the most suitable supplier to ensure your parts are produced at guaranteed quality at the promised price and lead time. Our dedicated team of industry-experienced engineers are able to provide guidance for your project end-to-end, ensuring your project needs are fully understood and problem-solved to enable first-time right manufacturing of your parts. Step by step, from your initial project inquiry to delivery of your part, MakerVerse works alongside you to make industrial part procurement easy, efficient, and transparent.